All right, everyone, thank you for tuning back in. I've got a really good one for you today. So we're going to be working on some putting. First, I'm going to talk about, there's two different practices. So you'll hear of block practice and you'll hear of what's called random practice. So right here I have a station of 2 alignment sticks that are lined up just straight to the target. Okay, so that's what we do. We're working on our mechanics. So our stroke, is it straight back, straight through? You know, we're focusing on our posture. And then you'll see I have lined up other tees at 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6, 7, and 8. And that's what's called random practice. So random block practice is working on your mechanics. Again, like your grip, aim, setup, stroke. Then you get away from that and you work on what's called random practice. So working on different locations, different distances, so you'll have more breaking putts. So this is really good. We're gonna really develop a really good game plan for you on the putting green. So let's give it a test. Okay, let's try our block practice first. Okay, so when we're first putting, you know, we want our feet about shoulder width. And another good key to do is when you're set up, get into a good posture where your elbows are kind of into your side, and then just tilt from your hip. So as you can see, the butt end of the club right here is pointed right at your belly button. That's going to give you that room to just rock your shoulders and rock your arms. Okay, so as you can see, my elbows are into my side, I'm tilted, and all I'm doing is I'm rocking my shoulders and arms, keeping my lower body nice and stable. Okay, that's going to really give you a good foundation and a really good consistent stroke. Okay, so I'm going to give you my good posture here. And just stroke it right along that alignment stick. So again, this is block practice, just kind of repeating the same mechanics over and over again. Really focusing on my posture. Elbows into the side, and all you're going to do is just make a rocking motion with your shoulders and arms. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some random practice. So all we're going to do here is when we get a nice consistent roll on the ball, we're going to do the random practice. So I'm going to go to my 3-footer. I'm going to really try to feel all those same things that I was feeling in the block practice. And all I'm doing is just trusting that stroke. Okay, now I'm at the 5-footer. Okay, this is also really good for green reading as well. As you're going around this kind of semicircle, you can really get a good idea of where the green's braking and where it's turning and the appropriate speed on it too. As I'm doing this, I'm just focused on the same sensation I had over there. Elbows into my side, butt end of the club right up here, right towards my belly button. And all I'm doing is using my shoulders and my arms, okay? Okay, now I pushed that just a hair, had a little bit too much speed on it, and that's okay if you miss it, because you just get right back over there to your blocked practice station and really get a good idea of the feel again, and try this little random practice again, and say you make 4 out of the 6, you know, or say you only make 3 out of the 6. Next time you do it, just try and get a little bit better. And then the more and more you do this, the lower scores you're gonna shoot. So thank you for tuning in. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to hear from you and develop a really good game plan for you. Thank you, and we'll see you later.